If you want to customize the lock screen on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to the settings. We're gonna scroll down in here and go to personalization. Next, we can tap on the lock screen in here. Of course, we have the introduction. And what you can do at first is you can scroll down through all these different presets that you can start using. So you can choose the favorite one and then you can personalize it from here by using the customize button. But in our case, I'm gonna actually just customize this standard one. So we're gonna tap on customize in here. At the bottom, we can find some wallpaper effects that you can use. There's also font effects where you can change colors for your fonts. So you have primary and secondary in here. So you can use two colors if you want to. And in addition to that, we can tap on this section where we have the clock and the date in order to split into these three sections. And we can actually customize these sections by containing different information, for example. So we can add the date at the top in here. We can adjust the font. We can, for example, remove some information. Let's say instead of using the date, I'm just gonna, for example, use nothing. There's also like additional information again, like the temperature, maybe like air quality, and so on and so forth. So you can choose whatever you like to use, or you can just completely turn off this information. So you can just have the clock only. And we also have the signature section where you can pretty much type anything. Once you are done with the customization of these options, of course, you can use this apply button. For the lock screen, remember that you can also zoom in and zoom out, and you can use two fingers in order to change the position of the wallpaper. So that's about it. And if you, of course, tap on apply, you can choose to apply the changes to the wallpaper if you made any, only to lock screen or also for the home screen. And that is about it. Subscribe to my channel.